Hello, CNG 132. Welcome to the midweek check-in. I made a post yesterday, noon-ish, about cybersecurity tour at Kaiser Permanente. If you have the chance to go Friday, definitely do. If you're a cybersecurity program, make the chance to go. Let's see, it's happening Friday from 10 to 11 at the Incident Command Center Conference Room, 6560 Greenwood Plaza Boulevard, Inglewood, Colorado. This would be a great chance for you to look at a cybersecurity environment, speak with people that are actually implementing or who are basically running the show. You get a perspective of healthcare versus cybersecurity, which is very intriguing. So if you do have the chance, make sure to reach out and visit them over at this campus. Let's see, we have just a few discussion posts, I think 4 now. There, that one will add 5. No, that one will add 4. No, it's still 4. So there's 4 main discussions up. Make sure you're getting those up, getting those post to the discussion board. With this week's material, we just cover the project, and then I believe we have one lab, lab simulation to do. So make sure to get those in. If you happen to miss, I haven't seen anybody post yet. I better double check that too. Make sure you are getting the Transcender. Make sure you are getting this. It's only available through our bookstore here on Larimer. Make sure when you're buying it, you do attention Sandra Green so she can email you the code. The earlier you start working on it, the better it is. These are counted against your grades. The quiz is just a snip showing me you have access to the software. The test itself is what you submit for grading. And that test is either maybe you hold back to get your best score, or maybe you just submit any score. But doing that submission also gets you a test score of 100, just like the quiz. I believe the quiz is 10. Gets you a full 10 points. So make sure those are getting in and get those taken care of early, because the earlier you get on it, the better. I think we have 10 more weeks. The best week to rehearse this is during our break, which is between week 12 and week 13, or no, week 13, week 14. And that's the best time to actually grind this out, get that 70, and then get all those test scores up to 100. That's all I have for this midweek check-in. Have a good week.